Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to measure distance on Google Maps. You can measure the distance between two or more points on the map. For example, you can measure the mileage in a straight line between two cities. Now, let's go to Google Maps. Then touch and hold anywhere on the map that isn't a place name or icon. Then a red pin appears. Then if you scroll up, then press the measure distance. Move the map so that the black circle is on the next point you want to add. At the bottom right, tap Add Point. At the bottom, you can find the total distance in miles. You can also add a multiple points. Just press again the plus. To remove the last point you added, tap Undo on the upper right corner. To clear all the points, press the 3 button on the upper right corner. Then press Clear. When finished, tap the back arrow on the left. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!